In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Instagram to Facebook. If you want to connect both accounts so they work together more smoothly, the easiest way to do it is directly through the Facebook app. Linking your accounts can make it simpler to manage your social profiles, and it also gives you the option to share content across both platforms without having to post everything twice. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon, which usually appears as the three horizontal lines. From there, look for Settings and Privacy, tap on it, and then choose Settings. This will take you into the area where Facebook keeps your account and profile controls. Next, find and tap Account Center. Account Center is where Meta lets you manage connected experiences between Facebook and Instagram, so this is the key place for linking the two accounts. Inside Account Center, select Add Accounts, then choose the option that says Add Facebook or Instagram Account. At this point, Facebook will guide you through connecting your Instagram profile, sign into your Instagram account when prompted, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The prompts may vary slightly depending on your app version, but the overall process is the same. Once the accounts are linked, you can also enable cross-posting if you want to save time when publishing content. To do that, stay in or return to Account Center and then tap Sharing across profiles. Here, select your Facebook account and your Instagram account so Facebook knows which profiles you want to connect for sharing. After that, turn on sharing for the types of content you want. You can usually enable sharing for posts, stories, and in some cases, reels if that option is available in your app. This means when you publish something on one platform, you can have it automatically shared to the other, which is especially useful if you want to keep both accounts active without doing extra work each time. As a quick tip, make sure you are linking the correct Facebook and Instagram accounts before confirming everything, especially if you manage more than one profile. It is also a good idea to review your sharing settings afterward so your content is being posted exactly where you want it. And that's it. Once your accounts are connected and your sharing preferences are set, your Facebook and Instagram profiles will be linked and ready to work together.